Hi, my name is Stephen Edwards, Switching Product Manager at Pickering Interfaces. I'm here today to introduce you to our new PXI Monitored Multiplexer module. There are a number of applications where the status of a switching configuration must be known for safety purposes. For example, what would happen if you were testing the fire control system of a smart bomb and a critical signal was connected prematurely? A disaster could occur. It is for this reason that Pickering developed the 40619 monitored MUX. In this short video, I will show you how the monitored MUX works. The animation seen here shows a multiplexer bank of the 40619 in the default state. The C connection is where an instrument would be connected to the multiplexer common. The M connection is the monitor bus. Note that no monitor relays connect C to any channel. Now we connect a DMM across M and C and close one of the monitor relays. If the multiplexer relay is in the appropriate state, a short will be seen across M and C. If the relay is connecting C to a channel, the monitor relay will see an open. The DMM measurement will allow the test code to make the appropriate decision to continue or not.